Good mighty morning, Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Thursday, April 15th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDEA South Florida's Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Remember, today you can wear purple shirt today to support all of our military families and all those amazing soldiers that represent the United States of America and protect us each and every day. Also, scholars, I want to remind you what an amazing job you're doing in your reading classes of annotating all of your text and your text features before you answer those questions. Make sure you prove your answers. Also, pre-K scholars, I'm so proud of you. Super proud of you, pre-K. I hear you're almost to your goal of reaching lesson 80. I hear Friday. Friday is the day that you're going to hit that goal. Super excited, pre-K. Keep up the good work, and we'll see you in the classroom. Have a great day. Hoot hoot!